Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine. And for the second class children, this is worksheet 1 of lesson number 3. Please all of you open page number 67. Okay, this is the worksheet of EVS. Okay, please open page number 67. Okay children, let us start. Okay, write capital S for clothes and we wear in summer. Write capital W for clothes we wear in winter. Okay, so it means what you need to do children? You have to write the summer clothes for S and the winter clothes for W. Okay children, so like first one is what Nana? First one is sweater. Sweater means which you are wearing in winter. So what you have to write? You have to write W. Next one is shorts. You have to write capital S. Next one is muffler. You have to write W. Woolen jacket. You have to write capital W. Woolen cap. You have to write W. Gloves. W. Because these all things we are wearing in the winter season when it is very cold outside. Frock. S. Capital S you have to write. Cotton socks. Capital S you have to write. Woolen socks, you have to write capital W. Why we have to write W in the woolen socks? Because we are wearing this in winter season. What about cotton socks and frock? Yes, we are wearing that clothes in summer. So that's the reason we have written capital S. Now, next bit. B. Number these sentences in the correct order. The thread is turned into cloth. The cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. The cloth is used to make cloths. The fiber is turned into thread. Let us see. First one is the cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant. Next, the fiber is turned into thread. Next, the thread is turned into cloth. Next one, the cloth is used to make cloths. So first one, cotton fiber will be it will be removing from the cotton plant. Then it is converted into thread. Then the thread is converted into cloth. Then the cloth is made to make cloths. So please write this number children, 3142. Yeah, next one. C bit. Write W-R-I-T-E, write two things we make from F-R-O-M from the following F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G following. Okay, it means what are the things which we make from wool, silk and cotton that we need to write. Okay children, first one is sweater. From wool what you can wear, that is sweater. Please write children correct spelling with the sharpened pencil and neat handwriting. Sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. Next one is muffler, M-U-F-F-L-E-R. It's no need that you have to write the same things. You can write woolen socks, you can write gloves, you can write woolen cap, right? These all things you can write, okay? Next, sari, silk. Saris and scarves, that you can find it very limited things children, that you can write saris. The saris which we wore by mothers, na, that one very shining, very smooth, right? That is obtained from the silk. What is the spelling for saris children? S-A-R-E-E-S, saris. What is the spelling for scarves? S-C-A-R-V-E-S, scarves. From the cotton, from the cotton so many things we can write, like frock and what you can write, shorts, right? And cotton cloth, bright cloth, so many things are there, okay? So that you can write frock and cotton socks. What is the spelling for frock children? F-R-O-C-K, frock. Shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts you can write, okay? But I have written what? Cotton socks, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Now this one, this is for homework children, because in the D bit what you need to write? Color the animal that gives us wool. What is this children? Yes, this is a sheep. So sheep you have to color. Which color sheep? That you have to color, okay? This is rabbit children. Rabbit gives us wool? No. This is penguin. Penguin gives us wool? No. So please color it and write here your name your class. And please turn the page, children. You will get to know that in the page number 68, children, this is worksheet 2, clothes for us. Okay. Draw your school uniform, color it. See how is our school uniform the last year, previous year. Please, you have to draw. If you are a girl, draw the shirt and skirt. Skirt is green color. The shirt is check. Okay. Printed checks are there that you have to write in a neat diagram. The shirt, the skirt, so that the whole page will be looking good with the school uniform. Yes, you can do it. I know that you people are very good children. You can do it. At lastly, you have to write the name here and you have to write the class here. And please, children, I request you to submit the worksheets at the school premises. Okay. And moreover, we have completed this chapter. Lesson number 3 we have completed. Okay. We will next go into the next chapter. It will take time, but we will go. Okay. So I hope you have learned from this chapter a lot of things, like what are the different types of clothes are there, when the clothes are wearing for which season, right? So many different types of clothes we have learned in this chapter, right? What is about spinning, thread, right, loom, these all things we have learned in this chapter. Okay, children, I hope you have learned, you have understand well. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Okay, we will provide the best solution. Okay, so thank you, children. Take care. Bye bye.